Ladies and gentlemen, finally a 24-year-old PMC depositor, just 24-year-old, an aspiring entrepreneur, a 24-year-old young man was driven to suicide after fighting for his hard-earned money which was in PMC Bank. How many more news reports do we have to do? How many more suicides do we have to report on? How many more deaths will have to come out in the media for the government to wake up? Today, the death of this young depositor should be a wake-up call to both the Maharashtra government and the centre and the RBI to listen to the cries of justice of almost 1 million PMC depositors. Let's debate.
उसे समझाता था कि बैंक से पैसे आ जाएंगे। लास्ट में उसकी हिम्मत ने उसका साथ नहीं दिया, उसके पास उसके पैसे नहीं बचे, उसके पास हमारे पास खाने के भी वांदे हो गए थे क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई नौकरी नहीं मिलती थी, सिर्फ मजूरी का काम मिलता था। फिर भी उसने मजूरी का भी काम किया, उससे उसने माँ बाप को संभाला, लेकिन फिर भी उसके बीवी बच्चे को नहीं संभाल पाया। उसका एक ही कारण था कि उसके पीएमसी बैंक में पैसे अटके हुए थे। क्षमा करो, उसको उसकी आत्मा को इंसाफ दिलाओ। उसने उसके जीते जी उससे कुछ नहीं हो पाया, अभी उसके बाद उसको न्याय दिलाओ। आपसे इतनी विनती है।
If this heartbreaking appeal from a sister doesn't jolt the collective conscience of those who've left down PMC Bank depositors, nothing will. Ronak Rajendra was just 24 years old. He was looking forward to building his future with the savings his family put in the PMC Bank. The helplessness and humiliation forced him to take this extreme step.
15 महीने का उसने इंतजार किया नहीं। मैं ऐसा पीएमसी बैंक से वजह से ही मेरा बच्चे ने सुसाइड कर लिया।
He's among the 60 PMC depositors who've lost their lives fighting for their own money. 60 is not just a number. It's not just a statistic. It's 60 lives. Lives snuffed out because of the connivance of corrupt bankers.
Unforeseen scene which happened, the young boy, 24 years old, committing a suicide, this is not at all acceptable. It is the amount of stress, the amount of strain which the people are undergoing since last 11 months. It's nearly a year. 62 people we have lost in this PMC family. I would request our Honorable Prime Minister of India to kindly intervene in this and resolve this on top priority.
9 lakh depositors, honest, hard-working, middle-class citizens of this country have been forced to beg for their own money in these already challenging times. Now more than ever is the time for both state and central government to intervene and end their suffering. Let's debate.
Rohit Soni, Mr. Venkateshan and Vivek Dikshit are PMC depositors. Kishore Tiwari is a very well-known farmers activist who supports the Shiv Sena. And Rajiv Pandey, of course, is BJP spokesperson. First of all, Mr. Rohit Soni, I want to start with you. It's been 341 days. And a 24-year-old, Ronak Modi, has committed suicide because of this stress. What I find very difficult to come to terms with, Mr. Rohit Soni, is that none of this seems to move anyone into action. None of this, none of these incidents. What's going on as a community of PMC victims? As a community, do you talk among yourselves, and what would you like to say? Because I want your voice to be heard a little louder.
Yes. Thank you so much, Arnav. Very good evening to all of you. Thank you for inviting me for this debate. I tell you, it's a complete failure, complete system failure. It is a complete connivance of the top builders, industrialists, and politicians and bureaucrats. The money of common man, common middle class and higher middle class is being used and siphoned off by these people with the connivance. The irony is the middle class and the higher middle class people or the small business class people, they put their money, hard-earned tax-paid money in the bank for their future security or safety, or for the children's education, or for their old age hospitalization. But all this money is being taken away by these fraudsters and scamsters. They use this money, though they are multi-millionaire. I'm shocked now that they all are billionaires. They live in thousands of crores of villas. They have got yachts, private jets. They've got properties all over the world, not in India itself. They've got money. But the beauty you see, their money, they don't put deposits in our banks in India. Their money is deposited in the foreign countries or invested in the properties or jewelries or different luxuries. Only the money which is there in the bank is mainly of the middle class, higher middle class. And
So you
small
have
and medium
someone
class
who
businessmen
is
people.
supportive and
this
represents the
crowds
Shiv
of
Sena today. Can their view? What would you say to him? The state what is the state government
Look,
doing?
Vivek,
Vivek, you want to tell
आपको मैं कहना चाहता
let me get Vivek Dikshit and Vivek. I think we need to make ourselves heard again and again.
जो रेवती
I think
की
what would you
तरह
say to the
पैसे
Shiv
बांटते
Sena
हैं।
or the BJP?
Yes.
Yes, I think
used to think BJP is a
Arnab,
difference.
that
But
the
now
central government has
I think
done
it's
its
gonna be
bit.
the same game.
I'm pretty sure about it. I'm pretty sure about it that the central government has done its bit and the ball is now in the court of the state government. The state government has to solve it because majority of the branches of PMC Bank are in
No, it is
Maharashtra.
passing the buck.
And it is the Maharashtra people who are majorly getting
It is
affected.
passing the buck.
Now, let me tell you one thing, that no, it's not passing the buck. Let me give you the legal position. There is a section 61
Absolutely.
in the
Why
Multi-State
these
Cooperative
people's
Act.
properties
According to
which
that
are there
section,
in thousands and lakhs
according
of
to that
crores is
section,
not being attached.
the-
Property is not being confiscated. I think in 2019 October, Mr. Amit Shah has given an interview to Arnab Goswami, and in which he clearly told that very soon the depositors will get their money. ED has taken action. ED has confiscated their properties. What the hell? For almost 1 year
Rajiv
now,
Pandey.
where is the attached property?
Rajiv
What
Pandey,
has happened to
Rajiv
the attached
Pandey
property?
today, if I'm not
I
mistaken,
want to-
yeah. No, why can't the
I
assets
want
be
to ask you,
confiscated?
Arnab, one
No, don't
question.
ask me. Don't ask them directly. I'm providing you a platform. You have a BJP and a Shiv Sena guy on the program. Ask them directly. I want to see them respond.
They live off
Put your question, Vivek.
This question is a-
Vivek, put your question.
The Shiv Sena person, he didn't have any answer.
All parties are responsible.
question is a
It is
direct
a complete
question.
system
Where have you done
failure.
in the last 11
It's
months?
totally
My heart is
corruption,
bleeding
negligence,
after hearing
and
the
insensitivity.
tragic suicide.
I want to tell you, Rajiv and Kishore Tiwari, an 83-year-old who had 80 lakh deposit in PMC Bank, you know why they died? Because the money for the heart surgery that they needed was in the bank. You know, in July, Vijay Chaudhary, who's a resident of Oshiwada, he was diagnosed with a kidney problem. All his last days, he was trying to get money for treatment from BMC Bank. They released only 1.5 lakh from his own money. That also, Mr. Venkateshan, after the local cooperator intervened. But it was too late. 2 days later, this man died. He had 3 children. He had already sold his land to get money. Why? You see, people don't have money for dialysis. Venkateshan, please tell them there are people today who have to get dialysis and they are stressed they don't have money for their daily dialysis, 1,000, 2,000 rupees.
Sorry.
I think you need to talk about that.
Arnav, let me come in here for a minute.
Yes.
Arnav, just a minute. My sister also was a chronic kidney patient. She expired in 2019 November, and in 2019, 3 to 4 times she was hospitalized. I have spent more than 20 lakh rupees for her hospitalization, and she expired in November, on November 18th, 2019. she
Was her
expired.
money also in
And
the PMC
she
bank?
had her deposits in PMC Bank.
So-
I had my deposits in BMC Bank.
she never got her
but we
money.
could not get
She
more than
never
1
ever
lakh
got her
rupee.
money till her
That
last
too after
days.
begging so much. No.
I want
She
to
was
ask you.
begging, she was
you see-
crying, she
Sir,
all
sir,
the
should
reports
I-
of
So
the
the only way,
all the bills were
just the only way.
submitted,
Only
only 1 lakh rupee was
No, but the only way then,
मैं
Rohit,
बात कर सकता हूँ।
Rohit, yeah, Kishore, what are you saying? Kishore, go on.
नहीं, मैं बात करना चाहता हूं कि आपके कार्यक्रम पे मैं पिछली बार आया था। अर्णव जी, बात मेरी सुने आ रही है आपको?
जी आ रही है, बोलिए।
जो मैं कार्यक्रम पे आने के बाद मैंने महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री से भी चर्चा की और मैं ये बता देना चाहता हूं कि हमने पैकेज वर्कआउट किया था, लेकिन विपदा हम पे आई है। आज ऐसी परिस्थिति है कि रिलीफ पैकेज हमारा वर्कआउट हो चुका है, लेकिन सेंट्रल इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत है। अब आप दोनों डिपॉजिटर की बात करो तो दोनों डिपॉजिटर भी कंफ्यूज है, लेकिन
कौन कंफ्यूज है? नहीं, कौन सा डिपॉजिटर कंफ्यूज है? कोई कंफ्यूज नहीं है।
देखो दोनों, देखिए
नहीं, बिल्कुल कंफ्यूज नहीं है।
No one is confused. They are confused. They are confused. They are confusing people of this country. They're fooling us. They're fooling the people of this country.
नहीं, आप मेरी बात रखने देंगे तो बात नहीं।
मैं आपकी बात रखने दूंगा। राकेश वाधवान है, मेरी बात सुनिए।
आप मुझे बताइए, अर्णव गोस्वामी जी, इनसे पूछिए।
नहीं, मैं किशोर तिवारी जी, किशोर तिवारी जी,
खड़ा कर दिया।
किशोर तिवारी जी, मेरी बात सुनिए।
SBI से लिया।
किशोर तिवारी जी, मेरी बात सुनिए। किशोर तिवारी जी, न्याय के बारे में आप मेरी बात सुनिए। एक मिनट किशोर जी, कैन यू एक विवेक 1 मिनट।
तिवारी जी, अगर आपका
बोलिए ना, बोलिए सर, बोलिए। आप बोलिए
मैं
ना।
ये बोल रहा था कि अगर आपका कोई आदमी फंसा हुआ है पीएमसी बैंक में, आपका पीएमसी बैंक में कोई आदमी फंसा हुआ है, पॉलिटिशियन का, शिवसेना का, आप उसको बाहर नहीं निकालोगे क्या?
नहीं, ये गलत
गुड
बात
क्वेश्चन।
है।
आपका कोई रिलेटिव फंसा है, आपका कोई जान पर नहीं, आप बोलिए ना। आपका अगर फंसा हुआ है, आप क्या करोगे? हम लोग तड़प रहे हैं, हमारे लोगों के एग्जाम्पल सुनेंगे आप? सुनिए एग्जाम्पल। अगर सुनने की शक्ति है आपके मुंबई में, सुनिए, उस मां को क्या जवाब देंगे जिसकी मां का जवान बेटा चला गया है? क्या जवाब देंगे? 24 साल का बेटा चला गया, क्या जवाब देंगे उसको? बताइए, क्या कर रहे हो आप? मुंबई के अंदर बैठ के क्या कर रहे हो? 62 लोग मर गए हैं, वो तो रिपोर्टेड है। आप बताइए, उस विधवा को क्या जिसका हस्बैंड चला गया है?
तो करने दीजिए।
उस बेटी को क्या जिसका बाप चला गया है? आप क्या बात करेंगे? रिलीफ पैकेज कहां? रिलीफ पैकेज है आपका? आप महाराष्ट्र में सरकार चला रहे हैं। आप आज तक किसी भी मरने वाला जो मरा है इसके अंदर उसके परिवार में गए क्या? उससे दुख जताया क्या? आपके अंदर हिम्मत है? दुख जताने की हिम्मत है आपके अंदर? बोलिए, बताइए, जवाब दीजिए।
अरे भाई, देखो, ऐसे आरोप लगाने से नहीं होगा। मैं एक बात कर,
आरोप कौन लगा रहा है? 82-year-old मैन हैज डाइड ऑफ हार्ट अटैक। आरोप कौन लगा रहा है? एक मिनट, आरोप नहीं है, सच्चाई है। किशोर जी, 39 साल। 1 मिनट, नहीं, आरोप नहीं है। 1 मिनट, विवेक, आरोप नहीं है। किशोर जी, आरोप नहीं है। किशोर जी, मेरी बात सुनिए। राकेश वाधवान जो है, लेट मी स्पीक प्लीज, लिसन टू मी। राकेश वाधवान, प्रोमोटर ऑफ HDIL, राकेश वाधवान, जिसके कारण ये पूरा स्कैम हुआ है, ही इज एबल टू प्लीड बिफोर द कोर्ट बिफोर गेटिंग ट्रीटमेंट इन एक्सपेंसिव प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स आफ्टर हिज बेल वाज रिजेक्टेड। सो वन रूल फॉर राकेश वाधवान, no, 1 minute, क्या? He should not be able to access his money. He should go to a government hospital. Rakesh Wadhwan should not be able to access 1 rupee.
He should be. He's a criminal.
Wadhwans should lose all their money. They should not have 1 rupee. 1 rupee with them. 1 rupee. Do you understand? I want to tell you. मगर उद्धव ठाकरे, मगर शरद पवार के जान पहचान के लोग हैं। आप पूछिए उद्धव ठाकरे को कि क्या वाधवान शरद पवार को जानते हैं? पूछिए उन्हें। अगली बार फोन करेंगे तो पूछिए उन्हें। पूछिए उन्हें, उनके पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शंस है कि नहीं? पीपल आर सफरिंग।
अरे वाधवान जी को मोदी जी और अमित शाह जी अच्छे से जानते हैं। आप ये बात समझते क्यों नहीं?
राजीव पांडे,
अरे भाई, कोई बात नहीं पाएगा।
वाधवान को खुली छूट किसने दी? महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने दी। किसने उनको घूमने का मौका दिया? आपकी सरकार ने दिया।
आपने देखा, मुझे 2 बातें करनी है।
राइट, वेरी ट्रू।
आपको पता है कि जो कोऑपरेटिव बैंक है, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक इज अंडर द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। यस बैंक में भी यही हुआ था, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने
अरे ये
कंप्लीटली
आदमी
उसको
को मालूम
इसके
नहीं
स्कीम
है,
बना करके ठीक किया।
मल्टी स्टेट बैंक
इसमें
का
ईडी ने
RBI
4000
का
करोड़ का एसेट को अटैच किया है।
बिल्कुल
ईडी इज ट्राइंग टू सेल दैट, लेकिन फाइनली
कंट्रोल में आती है, आरबीआई के कंट्रोल में आती है।
फाइनली कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर का बैंक है सर, और कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर के बैंक में
अरे भाई
आपको कुछ करना होगा।
कौन सा चश्मा लगाया
आरबीआई
हुआ है?
गवर्न करती है मल्टी स्टेट
आपको नजर नहीं आ रहा?
पंजाब और महाराष्ट्र
50 लाख आदमी आपके स्टेट में मर रहा है।
मैं जानता हूं मल्टी स्टेट को आरबीआई का गवर्नर, मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूं आपसे, लेकिन फाइनली
गलत बात क्यों
कोऑपरेटिव
कर रहे
बैंक्स
हैं
में जो
टीवी पे?
कंट्रोल है वो तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का था ना।
Mr. Venkateshan.
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट
अब आप आपके पास
Mr.
है ना,
Venkateshan in the middle, please. Mr. Venkateshan.
आप ये बात भूल गए।
Mr. Venkateshan, Kishore ji, I have with me Mr. Venkateshan. Mr. Venkateshan is 82 years old, and he really wants to say something today. Mr. Venkateshan, this fight will have to become more intense. You are seeing that the politicians are not responding; they are still passing the buck.
Yeah, I want to ask Mr. Kishore ji, can you patiently listen to me?
Okay.
Sir, we are depositors. We are not beggars.
Okay.
The bank
Yeah.
is authorized by RBI. It is situated
Yes,
in
sir.
Maharashtra. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
have been, sir, you have been seeing this story going on for 11 months.
Yes,
It is
sir.
going to be anniversary. Now, how much time it takes for Mr. Uddhav Thackeray to take a telephone and talk to Mr. Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister, and say that this is the hurdle being put in. I want you to speak to X, Y, Z, and tomorrow I want the money, 6,000 crores, and the bank to be started. How much time does it take for a Chief Minister, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray ji, to speak to the Prime Minister? Please answer my question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The RBI intervention has done for the other banks has not been done for the PMC bank. And if you are saying my chief minister has not spoken with the Nirmala Sitharaman ji and Narendra Modi ji, that is absolutely lie. We have been trying our level best to
they will get the
vote, sorry.
It's almost 11 months.
Sir,
आपको
please
pursue
don't
करना
take
पड़ेगा।
names. I
लेटर
want
लिखने
you
से कुछ नहीं होगा।
to tell Mr. Uddhav Thackeray to take the
Arnav,
telephone
Lakho, every
and talk
year,
to- and talk
every
to
year
Prime
there is a
Minister.
wastage of lakhs of
Get our
crores.
money back.
Lakhs of crores are
Please do not give us-
wasted in the name of
please
Mr. Venkateshan is saying, Mr. Venkateshan.
corruption. The money
RBI
goes.
Mr. Venkateshan, Gagan.
It is only a question of 7,000 crores.
Please don't tell me.
Mr.
Please
Venkateshan,
don't tell me
Gagan.
all this story.
After
Please,
selling their
please.
properties
Let
of these
Venkat-
criminals.
It is not our duty.
Mr. Venkateshan.
Yes, sir.
Venkatesha, you should speak.
I am speaking. I am requesting you, sir. If I were to be in the place of Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, I would have taken a telephone or I would have taken a plane, gone to Mr. Narendra Modi and told him 9 lakh depositors are suffering, their families are suffering. Day by day, people are committing suicide. They are dying. They don't have money. Please put 6,000 crores in the bank and start it tomorrow and do the selling, etc. Day after. Whatever you want to do, please do it. Don't ask us for any solutions. We are not the experts. We depended on the government. RBI gave the license. There are 4 layers of audit: concurrent audit, internal audit, statutory audit, RBI audit. 4 layers of audits have gone through. Nobody has detected. Every day a new bank is going fat and people are standing in the street. Politicians are there to help the depositors, the common man, not tell us the stories, the hurdles. This is not the way you should treat us. You can have problems. I don't say that you don't have problems. Sir, you say that you have got the solutions. Please solve the problem tomorrow. We want the answer to come from Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, and he should come on this television and tell us if Mr. Narendra Modi is holding his hand. Let him come on the television. Let Mr. Sharad Pawar come on the television and tell us who is holding their hands. We will be grateful to all of you. Please do not give us excuses. Enough has been told to us. This is the last word. I want to appeal to your good senses. Please do not give excuses. Mr. Arnab Goswami has done a yeoman service to 9 lakh depositors. We are greatly indebted to him. But for him, I don't think this subject will be alive. Don't mistake him also. He is speaking on our behalf. I have closed now. Please tell us, sir. Thank you, Mr. Arnab.
Thank you.
मैं 9 लाख अर्नब जी 9 लाख डिपॉजिटर को एक बात अश्योर करना चाहता हूं कि ये मेरे बड़े भाईचारे के 82 साल के हैं, इनकी बात मैं उद्धव जी के पास रखूंगा और केंद्र में भी मेरे 2-3 मित्र जो केंद्रीय मंत्री है उनसे भी रखूंगा और अगली बार मैं जब आऊंगा तो मैं वेंकटेश्वर जी के लिए एक रिलीफ या सॉल्यूशन लेके ही आऊंगा.
I hope so. I hope you are correct, Kishore Tiwari. I hope you are correct. We will have to keep the pressure up. And to the PMC depositors, let me tell you, let us not lose heart. Let us fight because this is a good fight, worth fighting. Ladies and gentlemen, with a promise to see you tomorrow at 9. Thanks for watching. Good night and goodbye.